Hello everyone, and welcome to English Compass.
Hi friends, I'm Lisa.
And I'm Mark. We are so happy to see you today.
Today we have a very useful topic for travelers.
Yes, we will practice English phrases for the airport.
Perfect for your next trip.
So Lisa, are you planning a trip soon?
Yes, James. I am going to visit my family next month.
That sounds wonderful. Do you feel nervous about speaking English at the airport?
A little, yes. That is why today's lesson is so helpful.
Exactly, we will learn simple phrases together.
And we will explain important words step by step.
So, what's next? Let's start with the first step.
First, let's talk about check-in.
What is check-in, James?
Good question. Check-in is when you arrive at the airport and show your documents.
Okay. So you go to the check-in counter.
Exactly. At the counter, you show your passport and ticket.
Your passport is your official ID from your country. You need it to travel.
I see. And your ticket has your flight number and destination.
Perfect. The flight number is the code for your specific flight.
And your destination is the place you are traveling to.
Then the agent gives you a boarding pass.
Yes. A boarding pass is your paper or digital ticket to get on the plane.
It has your seat number and gate number.
Your seat number is your assigned place on the plane.
And your gate is the waiting area for your flight.
So the boarding pass is very important. Keep it safe.
Exactly. You need it to board the plane.
Now, let's talk about luggage.
Luggage means your bags and suitcases.
There are two types, checked luggage and carry-on bag.
Checked luggage goes under the plane. You pick it up later.
You pick it up at baggage claim. That is the area for your bags after arrival.
Arrival is when your plane lands at the destination.
A carry-on bag stays with you on the plane. It is small.
Right. Put your carry-on in the overhead bin above your seat.
The overhead bin is the storage space above airplane seats.
After check-in, you go to security check.
At security, officers check your bags and body for safety.
They make sure everything is safe. So remove laptops and liquids.
Okay. Then you can go to your gate.
Your gate is where you wait to board the plane.
Check your boarding pass for the gate number and boarding time.
Boarding time is when you can start getting on the plane.
Sometimes gates change, so listen for announcements.
Announcements are spoken messages over the airport speakers.
When they call your flight number, it is time to board.
Show your boarding pass to the flight attendant.
A flight attendant is a crew member who helps passengers on the plane.
Then find your seat number and enjoy the flight.
That makes sense.
Now here are 4 easy tips for the airport.
Tip 1. Arrive early. Aim for 2 hours before departure.
Departure means when your plane leaves the airport.
Tip 2. Keep your passport and boarding pass in one safe place.
A small bag or pocket works well, so you do not lose them.
Tip 3. Know your baggage allowance.
Baggage allowance is how much weight your luggage can be.
Check with your airline before you pack. It saves time.
Tip 4. Practice these phrases before you travel. Repetition helps.
Yes, say the words out loud. It builds confidence. Let's review the steps together. I will say a step.
And I will confirm. Ready?
Step 1. Go to the check-in counter.
Perfect. Show your passport and ticket to the agent.
Then you get your boarding pass and check your luggage.
Exactly. Your luggage is your bags for the trip.
Step 2. Go to security check.
I see. Remove electronics and liquids from your carry-on bag.
Perfect. Then put your items in the bins for screening.
Step 3. Find your gate. Check the screens for your flight number.
That makes sense. Listen for announcements about your gate.
Step 4. Wait at the gate. Board when they call your flight number.
Show your boarding pass to the flight attendant.
Then find your seat number on the plane.
And place your carry-on bag in the overhead bin.
Perfect review. Great job, everyone.
Now, we have a question for you, our listeners.
What is your dream travel destination?
Please tell us in the comments below. We love to read your answers.
Maybe you want to visit London, Tokyo, or New York.
Or maybe your home country. All answers are welcome.
Share your story with our English Compass community.
If this lesson helped you, please give us a thumbs up.
It helps other learners find our videos too.
And subscribe to English Compass for more easy English lessons.
We post new videos every day for beginners.
Share this video with a friend who is learning English.
Learning together is more fun.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Keep practicing and you will speak with confidence.
Remember, simple phrases, clear pronunciation, and a smile.
You can do this. We believe in you.
See you next time on English Compass.
Bye, friends.